Actual, you have to actually talk to Simon.
No,
No, I'm doing like a whole daily thing.
I do hear
From the
him.
beginning to the end.
I can't hear you. I'm pressing with me.
He's not mute. He just thinks he sounds like a girl.
Can you do? Oh, is it? Okay, so I
No, just talk. I swear you don't.
show what I wanted, so I kind of have
Just
a
say
clear
something.
path. Some of my students want to put
No,
that. Alright.
that's Arjun.
No, I didn't sign up anyway.
Gonna have some decency, that'd be great.
Alright. Alright.
You're not gonna say anything actually?
Eat the ass, Shiny King. No, don't put that in the vlog. They don't eat ass.
You do.
Yeah, I'll show you now. I joke.
What the hell? Is the flash on? What the fuck? Why is the flash on?
Yeah, we're in school. This boring shit. You know what I'm saying? Oh, they boring shit. Boring.
Which are the girls? We're gonna be on YouTube. We can't talk anymore.
Yeah, this is gonna be on YouTube.
Why?
Cause I'm doing a vlog.
Vlog for what?
You know I vlog.
I don't know you actually vlog.
Where's your car, bruh?
It's the most beautiful car you'll ever meet. It's like it's the perfect car for Arjun. Just take a picture of it after.
Okay.
Yes.
I actually don't know where
Shotgun!
Starbucks is, by the way.
I don't give a fuck.
Apparently he's a responsible driver, so.
Yeah, he is. He's
We'll
better
see,
than-
we'll
he's
see.
Better than Mithun, that's for sure.
Better than everyone, okay?
I tell Mithun, to freaking slow down.
No,
on a-
Mithun's scary, bruh.
I tell him to slow down on a 70 or 60.
Hey, you take me on YouTube.
Eyes on the road.
Just
Get my voice and shit.
What radio station is this? What the hell?
99.9.
Put it on 93.5.
That's the stuff. It's got hip hop.
But you can hurt me tomorrow.
Oh!
93.5 is changing in Melanie inside 93 minutes of all the best throwbacks. 12 degrees out.
Stop. Doing. Oh, I hate you.
That's the whole. That's the fun part.
I wanted to get cars for people
Wait, why are you trying to change my view?
to open up more to other.
Yeah, he's actually pretty wise. I didn't know that. Hilton. Have it all.
No, you can't have it all.
You can't?
No, you can't. Nothing in life is always everything. You can't have it all.
I can't even hold it properly. See, now you're talking before you weren't.
Yeah.
I knew you needed to drive to let it move. Really? I can help you with your French. I want to try it. Wait, what is
You
it?
got STDs from any of them previous
Did you
relationships.
hear that? No, I don't know. What is it? Small?
Try it out.
I'm very scared to ask you how many relationships you've been in.
I've been in none.
Stop talking.
I mean, don't put that on YouTube. Sorry. Niger is a country.
Isn't it Niger?
Niger.
Nigeria.
No. This is
There's another one.
N-I-G-I-R-E-R. I don't know.
Legend, yes, she juggling Ari. If a women go, me never left for a tally. They said that it's no me on the rum that's matter.
And then Balrog is like, it's gonna take so long. Look at this. We're gonna be back and forth already.
Yeah, exactly. See, I don't know what his deal is. But I've never been here, actually.
Well, now you got someplace new for your vlog.
Yeah, exactly.
You gotta go 60 on a 70. I'm sick.
Just out with his best friends, trying to holler at me.
Every night a nigga gets buried on. We be coming to the day we die. Back the bartender if you think we lie. But if you think we high, you can think again. Cause when it's sink us.
So you ran into Woo. Yeah, we just got that. Yeah, I know, I saw it. It was kind of cute still. Yeah, it was pretty fun. I'll show you the vlog. You'll see it later.
Can't wait.
Yo, it's like I don't know this bitch. Sin's there again. I don't care about Chad.
I thought you were done with your vlog.
No, I'm vlogging for the whole day, legit. I told you from the beginning to
Ain't
end.
nobody got time for that.
I'm doing it still.
Which kid?
He flinched because he was 9th grade and just completely flinched. He's like, yo, chill. I ain't gonna knock anybody out with Starbucks.
So we're back in the car during spare. Oh, yeah. And we're going to Main Street. I don't know where the fuck that is, but we're going there. Cruising with Arjun still. What happened? He was bumping his cultural shit. It was good. It was good. I liked it. It was right.
I want to sing along.
Sam Smith is gonna be there the
I
weekend.
like the lighting is shit. Hey, look, strawberry.
Craziness. 1210, get on that list.
He's telling me a story, yeah.
Man.
You came here with your prom date and you asked her, and then
Oh.
who are you going with? Is it a surprise?
You know which one. Can you stop? Can you delete this video?
This place smells so good. Thanks to Arjun, I'm like here.
Get me out of the
He's officially my best friend.
video.
Homies since yesterday. I swear this is a village thing. It's cute though. There's little ducks, guys. It's so cute. He's obsessed with it. So we're done with our little walk. How is it?
It's fun.
That was fun, yeah.
Exciting.
It's alright.
Alright.
No, alright, like, it's cold still. The weather, yeah. But it was fun. Some real talk. So we're back at school now, though. My day one boy. With the Wu-Tang! This presentation.
La chose la plus importante dans la vie ne sont pas des chiffres, mais les gens qui vous avaient.
Oh, that's good. I didn't want to record some random person, but I found you! Alcohol. Hey, it's my sister. I found her in the guidance, guys. Oh my god. And that's Julie. Bye, Raina. So, thoughts on that? It doesn't matter, right?
No, you should have talked to him. You should have just
Said hi.
been like, bitch.
Let me say bitch. That's gonna make it better. That ain't gonna make it better.
Or you could have been like, oh, why don't you reply to my person?
No, I'm not a crazy bitch either. But it's actually hilarious. No, just be like, no, you have to be serious, but that's too yeah. No, I'd be like, he's like, I heard the news, and then he's like, Richard! No, I didn't. He got me pizza. No, actually.
It's my pancake.
For all your... Just for you? How much is that?
$5.65.
Really?
Yeah.
And I'm about to spend like $7 on a burger. Oh, shit. What did you order? Like, what is it called? This...
Medium pepperoni.
And then with barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye. Wait, that's so weird. It's like I'm random vlogging random. Yeah, there is Quincy and Khalid. Say hey.
Shit, you got this?
No, I just started recording now.
Oh, okay, so you didn't get me to say that. I could have. You need a preview on.
That's her face when it's gonna be at prom like that, I swear.
I know.
Yo, I don't wanna go. No, legit. Okay guys, we ordered like some toucan dine shit from Khalid. Yeah, it's in there. No, not from Khalid, like the coupon was from Khalid. Okay, you can go on, open your gift. Why is that? What do you mean, ew? You're fucking eating that shit, don't ew me.
Here you go. For you.
Woo, 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 woo.
Some fries for you.
What is this? Oh, yeah, who the fuck? Oh, there you go.
So this right here is a black man's neck. Look how long it is. This one is a white man's dick because it's far off. It's a little bit short. Asian people, no offense. That's a brown person's dick. And then this
She's
one.
explaining something.
Oh, why are you? I guess you like and then this is nothing. This is basically a vagina. Yeah. So that's my diagram using this lovely. Oh, look, others. You know, squeeze and pull, squeeze and pull.
You should do that for a presentation.
Squeeze and pull, squeeze and pull. Like balls in your face. Oh shit. Yeah. You like balls in your face? Put it around.
Okay, so it basically just popped. Yo, you're wet.
I am.
Oh no, it's raining. I feel rain.
It hit me.
No, I feel rain. Tyra's right there. Yeah, we in this school.
Bye.
Bye. No, I don't actually talk like that. Don't remember me for that. This is the second last vlog. And there's one in June. Well, like prom, but I don't count prom as one of the things. Everything? Are you doing it for her?
This is a vlog. I'm doing it for
What?
Haven't vlogged in very long because my phone is.
Gentlemen, can everybody please stop screaming at their neighbor?
I
The
actually
only one
don't
in the room that's hard of hearing, so you guys can all keep it down.
A pencil.
Where's Garmin?
Where's
All I have is this.
Yo, I come to class and
Where's actually the
computer's off.
Maybe if
Yo, you're turning too much.
I actually did.
Where's the part where you have
It's
it
gonna
sync?
move down.
Where's the part where you have it?
Wait, do you have to make the things first then?
Yeah. We'll draw it.
So then the ball comes down. This is gonna move
Where's
down.
Frank's
And
head?
then after this is,
Where's Frank's head?
so
Where
this
is
gonna go
Frank's
down here.
head?
Yo, what are you doing? Don't vlog that. There's no apps there.
This is gonna go over here.
Oh, it's so sad. Cash is not in this.
Why didn't you vlog then?
I explained it. You missed that.
Damn. How do you think I should?
Shit.
It's too late.
But we sit with a whole row of guys.
It was on the old.
We sit with a whole row of guys.
I like it better when you vlog because I'm not like up close to it.
Yeah, because then.
No?
Yeah, that's really long. It's gonna take a long time to load.
Oh, okay.
We're working hard if I didn't vlog.
It's not working.
That's how you know we're working hard if I didn't vlog.
I was supposed to.
Ah, I like
No, I don't want to.
Yeah, that's super.
Today could have been better, honestly. Every day can be better.
Every day
There's a circle. There's a circle.
And if he
that-
wasn't doing it.
segmented circle. and you can just,
He should have talked though. Whatever. I'll play the game. Nothing but. Anyway, so we used to. This is our place, man. Like. Yo, Dutzy! That's too. Yo, you want some drinks? Want some drinks? Thirsty mouth. Just look like it. Yo. Oh, that's very funny. That was gross. No, really? Whose shorts are those? You know they paid $20 for this red cloth. What's on that?
Can we? Oh god.
favorite gym class. It was fun with like body. What is it called? The spray.
Body spray?
From Bath and Body Works.
Okay, tell me.
Oh yeah, she used to that stank pits. Used
Yeah.
to borrow my ew deodorant. My shirt.
Wait, which one?
What do you mean?
Oh, the brown one.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, because she was like, Mom, do you have your shirt? And then after, me and my sister knew that she stank. And then Rand's like, yeah, her little sister smells too.
Oh.
Runs in the family still.
Yo, her hair is all the way up to here.
No, it doesn't matter. Yo, I showed her. She gave me the shirt back dirty. Like she didn't put it in the laundry.
Oh.
She's like, here, thank you so much.
So what'd you do?
Bro, she brings it close to my face, and then I'm like dying. I'm gonna go pee now.
Oh, really?
You're gonna log for the rest of the until we leave, okay?
Okay.
No, I mean like leave the school.
So I'm not gonna stop.
Okay, bye. No, just no. You have to.
No.
Dude, I really can't. No, fuck that.
No. Bye. I miss vlogging.
Yeah, I know. You're actually good at it.
Good.
I don't like me vlogging.
Why? I don't know. It's cause I don't know. Can you get a bag? I need a bag.
No, I have one.
Oh.
You don't want to carry that thing, I swear.
I know. Put it in my bag.
No, because then you have to wrap it. Like it's long as fuck, so you have to wrap it. Wrap that.
Ew.
Vlog him. That's leading.
Do you see him?
Okay, cut. Babe, you didn't even click start. Oh, no, you didn't. You Jesus, Yo, chill, nigga, Are you like dancing to the music? I'm walking it down straight line. Sorry. I can't even see it. I hate this. I sound like this. It sounds like Omar.
Oh yeah, the water thing.
We like raves, low key. Like
You like raves.
You know, like Milliken.
Oh yeah, Milliken. Your law combo ain't what
yeah,
you said
it's not
was.
41, yo. It's 46.
Oh.
No, I thought it was 31. Then I thought it was 41.
No,
but
you
it's
thought it was
46.
36.
Yeah,
36.
What did I just say?
31.
Same shit!
No, it's not.
I thought it was 41, but that was last year. I just remember.
Oh.
Or like in grade 10. I don't remember. I had so many law combos.
I don't remember any of mine.
When I was younger, in grade 9, Julie used to open my locker every time because I didn't know how to use locks. Julie, can you open my locker? Yeah, sure. 1 second. Let me put my stuff away.
I didn't say that.
Oh. But like the first part is true. Yeah, yesterday, you know how it was like, I walked outside in the night? Like, not at night, it was like 8:30. No, I was asking for the next day because I wanted to take a picture with Chad. Oh, okay. No, but anyway, and then mom's like, no, you can't go. My mom's like, you can't go outside. I'm like, why? She's like, there's a pedophile. And I'm like, no, it's fine. So I went to buy 2 cards. Shoppers. You know how Shoppers is closed? When did he get glasses? Huh? When did he get glasses? I asked him, I'm like, I never knew you had glasses. And he's like, yeah. Yo, seems like you're high key of a YouTuber. Actually,
We should have been.
we should have.
You could have been.
We are. I am.
You know that guy? No.
You're not even seeing it.
Vlogging stuff?
The whole day.
It's raining.
Wow, it's like I don't know what rain is. Where's Brian? Bye, Milliken.
Fuck you, Milliken.
Is that him? Or is that some stranger?
Stranger.
Hey, vlog until you get into the car.
Okay. Hi.
Hey, what's good, homie? Oh, that's dry.
What? Baby.
I know.
What does mean though? He's looking.
What's good? What? Fuck you too then. Look who I found at the bus stop. The yummy girl.